All right, folks, listen up. If you're trying to decide between Bluehost and InMotion hosting for your WordPress needs, I've got the breakdown you need. We're not here to waste time, so let's get straight to the point. By the end of this, you're going to know exactly which hosting service will give you the best ROI for your WordPress site. And remember, I've got links in the description if you want to get started right away. Why Bluehost might be your best bet. Bluehost has been the go-to for WordPress hosting for years, recommended by WordPress.org since 2005, so they've got the credibility. But what you care about is how it impacts your business, right? AI-powered tools. These tools help you get your website up and running fast. We're talking about speed to market, which means you can start making money sooner. Free domain and SSL for the first year. These are essentials. They're throwing them in to get you started without extra costs. It's a no-brainer. Solid performance. Bluehost is known for top-tier site speed and uptime. Your site loads fast, keeps visitors happy, and Google loves that. Better ranking, more traffic. 24/7 expert support. If something breaks, you don't want to be alone. You want someone to fix it ASAP so you don't lose business. They've got your back around the clock. Pricing breakdown. Basic plan. $1.99 per month. Renews at $7.99 per month. Perfect if you're starting out with up to 10 websites. Cheap, effective, and easy to scale up when you need to. Choice Plus plan. $3.99 per month. Renews at $13.99 per month. Great for multiple sites, offering more storage and security. Think of it as your growth package. Online store plan, $7.45 per month. Renews at $18.99 per month. You want to make money online? This plan sets you up with WooCommerce and all the tools for an online store. Pro plan, $9.99 per month. Renews at $20.99 per month. High traffic sites need more resources, and this plan provides them. Simple as that. Why you might lean toward InMotion hosting. InMotion hosting is like the heavyweight contender in the ring. They're all about power, speed, and security. Critical if you're running a business that can't afford downtime. NVMe SSD storage. This isn't just tech jargon. It means your website runs fast, like really fast. Customers hate waiting, and this tech cuts down load time significantly. Manage WordPress features. You're busy running your business. Let InMotion handle updates, caching, and backups. It's like having a pit crew for your website. Free website migration. Already have a site but want to switch to InMotion? They move everything for you with zero downtime. It's seamless. 90-day money-back guarantee, 3 times longer than most. They're confident in their service, and you get plenty of time to make sure it's the right fit. Pricing breakdown. WP Core. $2.79 per month. Renews at $10.49 per month. Great for smaller sites with 2 websites included. It's like the entry-level Mercedes luxury features without the high price tag. WP Launch, $5.49 per month. Renews at $13.49 per month. It's for more serious players with multiple websites and the need for speed. This plan keeps you competitive. WP Power, $5.49 per month. Renews at $17.49 per month. You need more power for growing traffic? You've got it. Unlimited websites and resources to handle the growth. WP Pro, $11.49 per month. Renews at $24.49 per month. This is for the big leagues. High traffic, high stakes, high performance. It's like hiring a personal trainer for your website. Final decision time. Bluehost is your go-to if you want a trusted, easy-to-use platform that's highly recommended by WordPress. It's great for starting out or if you're adding e-commerce into the mix. InMotion hosting should be your pick if you need robust performance and security, especially if you're scaling a high-traffic site or managing multiple sites. They give you the tools to stay competitive. Take action. Stop overthinking it. You've got the info. Now, click the links in the description, choose your plan, and start dominating your space. Whether it's Bluehost or InMotion hosting, just make the choice that fits your business needs. The sooner you start, the sooner you grow. Hit that like button if this helped you out. Subscribe for more no-nonsense advice. Let's get to work. See you in the next one.